Hello everyone, I'm your myth. I know it's been a while, but I'm back again. This time we are coming up with interesting product. Our team did in pretty good research. We thought to come up with something interesting, so where we can build. You can also be a part in this journey. We believe in product-based learning, right? Build while you run. Coming to the project, we thought to work on deep learning project. So we are using CNN architecture and deep learning. We have a data set in Kaggle. So that data set is around 30,000 samples. We are taking unstructured images. So that unstructured images, we are training our CNN model there. And that model weights will connect to a simple UI and will just classify the animals, or you can use for any use case. That's it. That's all about our project. But what exactly I need from your end for this project? Primarily your dedication. If you start this project, complete it. If not, don't start it. That's a good advice for you. Obviously, you need to create an account in Kaggle. That would be useful for you in terms of getting a data sets. So do that. Also, if possible, get Jupyter Notebook installed in your laptop missions, because Jupyter Notebook is very easy to train the models. If you are pretty good using Visual Studios or Colab, that's up to you. But I suggest Jupyter Notebook for learning and training. That's it. Probably in the next video, we can see how exactly we pull the dataset, what dataset we are working on it, and also be a part in our journey. Thank you. See you again. Your Mithil.